Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be explaining how to deep clean your washing machine. I have a front-loading LG washing machine and we are going to start by cleaning out the washing machine filter. My filter is located on the front bottom left-hand side, right behind this flap here. We are now going to drain any excess water that has built up within this filter. I'm going to put a towel down and pull out this hose right here. You can drain this hose into a container. Just make sure that you're pulling the hose down lower than the machine so that the water can all drain out properly. And be prepared, it is going to smell bad. Once all the water has drained out of the hose, you can open up the filter. There will be more excess water that will come out of here. This is why it's important to put a towel down. As you can see, my filter is not too bad. It does have a film that is just built up from our laundry detergent, fabric softener, and dog hair. I have seen filters that get clogged up with bigger items that may have been left in pant pockets and whatnot. So you want to make sure that you're checking your filter pretty regularly. I'm going to wipe out all the gunk and grime with this towel. And then I'm going to wash the filter in some vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and hot water and put it back. Alright, so that's the filter and we are now going to move on to inside the washing machine. This rubber ring right here actually has folds in it, and inside the folds lots of things get trapped. We have a dog and a cat, so I find lots of pet hair gets trapped within these folds, as well as standing water, which over time will cause some really bad smells. I'm going to clean this area by using my Bissell Steam Shot to loosen up all the hairs so that I can wipe it away. I have in the past used hot water and an abrasive sponge, and it does the same trick. I do, however, love my Bissell Steam Shot. I use it all over my house, and it's just perfect for getting into these areas very easily. I find that I get a lot of hair that gets caked on the bottom of the door here. I don't know if it just builds up while it's in the washing machine, but it builds up and it sits here and it just gets caked onto this door. So I'm going to use my Bissell Steam Shot to loosen it up and wipe it away. I'm now going to do a cleaning cycle for the inside of the drum using baking soda and vinegar. I use about a cup of baking soda and I throw that into the drum. I then pour the vinegar into the fabric softener compartment so that it gets released during the rinse cycle. The reason why you want it released during the rinse cycle is so that you give the baking soda some time to be able to scrub the inside of your drum before it reacts with the vinegar. If the reaction happens too quickly, you're not going to get a full clean. I'm just going to run a normal cycle, but if your machine comes with a specific cleaning cycle option, make sure you're using that one. I'm now going to clean and sanitize the outside of my washing machine to finish up. And that is how you deep clean your washing machine. I do this about once a month to make sure that my machine is running as efficiently as possible. Thank you for being with me here today. I hope that you would like this video and subscribe to my channel down below for more how-to videos. Until next time, bye!